Have you ever wondered what the everyday objects around your house look like up close? Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the secret life of common household items, all revealed under the microscope. We'll explore the hidden worlds of things we use every day, uncovering details invisible to the naked eye. First up, let's examine a simple piece of paper. Under the microscope, you'll see a complex network of intertwined cellulose fibers. These fibers, derived from wood pulp, create the paper's structure. You'll also notice the uneven surface, a stark contrast to how smooth it appears to us. Next, we'll magnify a cotton swab. At high magnification, the cotton fibers look like fluffy, twisted strands. You'll observe tiny air pockets between the fibers, which contribute to the swab's absorbency. You might even spot remnants of the manufacturing process, such as tiny particles. Now let's move on to something a bit more colorful, a crayon. Under the microscope, the waxy surface of a crayon reveals a mixture of pigments and binders. You'll see the individual pigment particles, which give the crayon its color suspended in the wax. The texture appears uneven, almost crystalline. Let's take a look at a strand of hair. Whether it's your hair or a pet's, the microscopic view is fascinating. You'll see the overlapping scales of the cuticle, which protect the hair shaft. You can also observe the hair's color, distribution, and any damage or split ends become clearly visible. Finally, let's examine a common household dust particle. Dust is a mix of all sorts of things, including skin cells, fibers, and pollen. Under the microscope, you'll see a chaotic assortment of these components. The shapes and sizes vary wildly, highlighting the diverse origins of household dust. It's a reminder of the microscopic world constantly surrounding us. So the next time you use these everyday items, remember the hidden world that exists within them. The microscope unveils a universe of detail, reminding us that even the most ordinary objects have a fascinating secret life of their own.